if you think that trading gets better with technical analysis only, you are wrong. And I'm going to tell you why. You see, in forex trading or trading in general, like currency trading in general, even crypto, it's divided into two segments. The first segment takes almost 80%, and that is the psychology aspect. The psychology aspect takes almost 80%. Why the remaining 20, or let me say 30, is now the aspect that focuses on technical analysis, which is the primary skill itself. Now I'm going to break it down for you again. Let me start with that smaller portion. You see the 30% or 20% aspect that deals with technical analysis. It's not because it's not that relevant. No, it is because you can actually, if you're a serious type, you can actually study the market, maybe learn from someone who is profitable already, people who are ahead of you, or you pay for mentorship, or you just learn them. You get the right information, you study the charts, you understand the charts, you are able to know when to go into the market, you know when to exit, you know when to close your trade. All those technical stuff, you understand them. When you get all those things, you get them once and for all, and you already have them on your palm like this. You already have them. Nothing can take them away from you. You already have it as a skill. And that's why they say if you have a trading skill, it lives with you forever, like for life. That's the skill. You already have it. You already know it. But you see the remaining aspect that has to do with if that skill will help you become profitable, or you could just get them for getting sick. That determinant focuses on psychology, and that's why it takes almost 80% in trading. Now I'm going to explain to you again how this plays a vital role. There is only one thing that differentiates a profitable trader from an unprofitable trader, and that one thing is the power of their psychology, the power of their mind. That's one thing that will help you either to become profitable or remain unprofitable. Now the skill is no longer the problem. The skill is no longer the problem. We've already trashed out technical analysis. You already have it. But now we are looking at you using that skill to become profitable. That's where psychology plays a vital role. So if you're not getting this part that has to do with psychology, or you're not paying attention to it, you are doing yourself a great harm. There are a lot of people who are good actually with technical analysis, but they are still not profitable yet. You know the secret is because they are still struggling with their psychology. I think if I'm using the word psychology, it looks so big. When I say psychology in trading, I mean your emotions. A lot of people struggle because of their emotions. They can't control it yet. And because they can't control it, market is still taken away from them. They use the skill they have to enter into the market. Whether they get profits, markets might actually take it away first. At some point, they can't actually control themselves to know when to exit and when not to exit, either because of fear or greed or whatever, but it is just their emotion. And at the end of the day, they end up with nothing. That's how psychology can drag you in trading, and that's why you see majority of people, they stay for years, they stay for long before they figure it out. It is no magic. The technical analysis looks like something that is fixed. More like when you get it, it's already on your palm and you can't forget it. But you see the psychology aspect, you have to train yourself. You have to get intentionally disciplined. It takes rigorous works on your mind yourself. So you can see it's a consistent procedure, and you have to be practicing the right thing as well. Then coupled with your skill of technical analysis put together, this is what helps you become profitable as a trader, either as a forex trader or as a crypto trader, whatever it is. This is the only factor that helps you to become profitable in the long run. Now, there are 3 major determinants that will help you to fix unprofitability, or let me use the word 3 major factors that can always help you to improve and become profitable as a trader. The first one is you must be committed to understanding the psychology of trading. Understand psychology itself. That's the part that has to do with mindsets and mental, stability. You have to understand it. Know it first. What is the psychology they are talking about? Understand it first. Then number 2, a lot of people have been making mistakes. Like as I am now, most of the videos you are going to be seeing me doing or publishing in the recent times, they are all going to be born out of my experience. I wouldn't be here talking if I've not actually gone through them, because I feel psychology is one of the things that is dragging a lot of traders backwards. A lot of traders commit suicide, and when you check it, poor psychology, very, very poor. So I feel it's something that needs to be, a greater part of the awareness still needs to be thrown outside there so we can save more people. Now, you have to understand psychology itself, which is determinant number 1. And number 2, you have to know the common mistakes that traders do. Understand them. Then number 3, you have to learn and understand how to build a strong, unshakable emotion. That's these 3 things, when you've achieved them, that's the only thing that will help you become profitable in the long run. And now you can now analyze and see your balanced psychology with your expertise of the technical analysis put together. You're good to go 100%. That's how it works. People like me, when I started, in fact, in my first 3 months of trading, I had a funded account. But guess what? I blew it. I blew it. And it was because of psychology. What was my problem? Mine was overconfidence and excitement. And at the end of the day, it ruined everything. I couldn't be able to control myself. It is unconscious. But we have to learn how to control it. I think this video is getting too long, but in the next video I'm going to be posting, I am going to be talking deeply on those 3 major determinants that will help you become profitable as a trader in the markets. So please do well to share this video, because there are a lot of people out there that needs information like this. People are dying, people are committing suicide, people are falling into depression, and if you trace all these things, they are all psychology challenges. So please do well to share this video, engage. If you have questions you want to throw out, you want me to answer, kindly drop them in the comment section. I will do well to answer them. And I hope you got value and you are ready for my next video. Do not miss. Bye for now.